Okay, so we've got x is greater than or equal to 0. And we said earlier that x equals 0 is the y-axis. So our right side of our plane is going to be what we're looking at. Y is greater than equal to 0 is the x-axis, and so we're in that first quadrant again. 18 divided by 2 is 9. So my 0.90 is on the x-axis. 18 divided by 3 is 6. So I'm at 0.6. There's a line underneath it, so I'm going to connect those 2 points with a solid line. 2 times 0 plus 3 times 0. 0 is less than or equal to 18. It's a true statement. So now we're looking at just this little triangle I've drawn. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 1 divides into 10 10 times. There's a line underneath it, so it's a solid line. Now, this is the reason why you're going to want a straight edge, and this is the reason why you want to use graph paper. I need to find out what this point is, because I need to find out all of those intersections, which is going to tell me which one's going to give me the maximum or a minimum point. If I put the 0, 0 in, 0 is less than 10 is a true statement. So I'm looking at, see, I did green before, this region. And I need to find all of the intersections of all 4 of those lines that make up this quadrilateral. And what I would do if I were you is I would start anywhere on it and go in order, because there should be 4 points if it's a quadrilateral, because it has 4 vertices. 5, 0, 0, 0, 0, 6, and then this point. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. The x is 3, the y is 4. So that gives me that intersection. Now, you put the value for your vertices to find out if you have a maximum or a minimum. And we have a function that I have not given you. The maximum minimum of a function f x y is equal to 9x plus 13y. So they gave us this was given, and they gave you these constraints. Now we're going to put all of these points into this equation. 9 times 0 plus 13 times 0 is 0. 9 times 0 plus 13 times 6. And you can use a calculator. I don't have a problem with that. 0 plus 78 is 78. 3, 4. 9 times 3 plus 13 times 4. Oh, thank you. Plus 1. 9 times 3 plus 13 times 4. And you can type it in all at the same time. So first point, second point, third point, fourth point. 9 times 5, bless you, 13 times 0. 9 times 5 plus 13 times 0 is 45. So I'm looking at these numbers out here to the side. Which one gives me the maximum number and which one gives me a minimum number? Well, which one's the largest and which one's the smallest? This is the minimum. This one is the maximum. And this is what you're going to say. The minimum value is 0 at the point 0, 0. The maximum is 79 at 3, 4. Actually answer the question. Okay?
Can we just